Alright, so far you should have already finished up your Google Classroom worksheet from last week. And we're moving on to today's work, which is Learning Expedition Guide 1-2, the next one in your binder. Life's not always going to be this easy. If it were, there wouldn't be Engage. We're going to review the 6 steps of decision making really quickly. It's going to have the step and a good question to ask yourself while you're doing this step. Consider the decision with your values. You ask yourself, does the action fit with what I believe? Consider the decision with your goals. Will this action take me closer to or further away from where I want to be in the future? Consider the benefits. What are the positive effects of this action? Consider the risks. What could go wrong with this action? What might be a negative outcome? Make the decision. What is holding me back from making the decision? If something's holding you back, you can go all the way to the beginning and start again. Sometimes you might need to elicit some help from a trusted source, mom, dad, brother, sister, uncle, cousin, somebody that you trust to help you go through the decision process, and maybe they'll see something you didn't the first time. After you've made the decision, you accept responsibility and evaluate, which means what happened. Did I do a good job weighing the benefits and risks? Am I willing to accept responsibility for a poor choice and plan for better decisions in the future? Now that we've did a little bit of a recounting of what we've done so far in Engage, we're going to make it count. You're going to locate the following: Learning Expedition Guide 1-2. That would be in session 5, which is the next Get Started exercise in your handout. So, you will be doing 1 Get Started expedition, 1 Show Me expedition, and you'll complete 1 test run. To complete the Show Me expedition, you'll use the 5 questions that are either located on your desk or on the screen, and you'll use the short story to answer those 5 questions. And this time it is a very short story. It is 1.5 pages. Once you're done with that, you will complete a test run. You can choose any of the 3, and that is all of your work for the day. If you have any questions or comments, come ask me, but you should have about 15 to 20 minutes worth of work to do and about 50 minutes to do it in. So, questions, comments, concerns? Enjoy.